Rass's bold gamble, new players first, Nations Championship second.
This team, there was 12 guys who's got 10 caps and less, half of the team. So cohesion would always be a problem. That you could see in the defense when we made some subs at the end. Obviously there's a lot of guys that we did not play in this game and a lot of guys injured. So yes, we learned a lot of some players, not that they're not good enough. There's lots of work to do on that. And I think this is the test which some of the guys needed. Not a tier 2 nation where they've got 3 or 4 caps. A tier 1 nation that's really a class team. Yeah, sometimes we must put our personal goals or how many games we've won in a row, or even this championship on the line to know who can do what. And if you don't make those calls, you would never know. And when do you do it? You're always going to wait till you play a team that's not of this caliber, because I think they're a great team. And that's how you find out. There's tense, it's pressure, there's a crowd that pay tickets who want to watch this game. They don't know maybe all the players, even that so well. They're not settled test match players. So for those guys to feel the crowd going quiet when it's going not that well, they must handle that kind of pressure. We in the coaches box must handle that. So yes, I think that's the only way that we can ever learn.
Yeah.